Hello everyone, magluluto po tayo ng patola, itong isang sangkap sa bahay kubo na awitin, patola. Alam niyo po, we're going to, our recipe for today is we're going to make patola soup with miswa and sardines. And a lot of people are asking what's the English of patola. Well, ang scientific name po ng patola ay Lupha acutangula. At ang other name nito sa English ay silk squash, red lofa, o kaya kalimitan ay Spanish gourd. Kaya tinawag na Spanish gourd dahil ang magulang po nito ay ginagawa pong panghilod. Maganda po siya panglinis sa katawan if you are taking a bath. The old Spanish gourd or patula, magandang panghilod. So ayan po ang ating recipe mga kaibigan, ang ingredients, miswa, sardines, and then garlic. A very simple and a very quick soup. It is a very good soup during especially rainy season or rainy days. Ito po ang simpleng ulam ng Pinoy. Meron nito ang isang Pinoy na simple, masaya na po. Very cheap, you can save a lot of money, and very easy to cook. So ilang minuto lang po, very quick. Especially if you are in a hurry, this is a very good recipe for those people who are always in a hurry. And ayan na po, susuti po natin at ilalagay na ang sardines. Then we're going to put the patola, Spanish gourd. We're going to mix it, and then we're going to put 3 glasses of water and then boil it for only 10 minutes. Very easy. There you are. Then we're going to put already this miswa noodles. It's a Chinese noodles. There you are. But always put it in your mind that before you put this miswa, you're going to separate each and every one of it, because if you're going to pour it, the whole thing, nagdidikit-dikit po siya. Very sticky. So it's better to separate from each other. So ayan na po. Very easy. Napakadali po magluto. Very easy to quick, my friend. Patola with sardines and miswa. Ayan na po ang ating soup. Kung meron po kayong fried chicken or fried fish, yun ang masarap na pang-partner dito. Pero usually, ang mga Pinoy na simple, ito lang po ulam na. Simpleng ulam. Mura lang po. Then marami pa ang makakakain. So there you are. That's the finished product. Very masarap. Very delicious. Masarap. In Filipino, delicious. So there you are. A comer, mis amigos, delicioso. See? Ayan na po ang ating finished product ng patola with miswa na may sardinas. Okay, until next vlog. Bye-bye. God bless.